Daily dialogues in English. Practice your listening and speaking skills.
Hi David, how was your weekend?
Hi, my weekend was great. I went hiking in the mountains. How about you?
That sounds fun. I spent my weekend reading a new book and trying out a new recipe.
Oh, what book are you reading?
It's a mystery novel called The Lost Key. It's quite intriguing.
That sounds interesting. And how did your new recipe turn out?
It was a success. I made a vegetarian lasagna and it was delicious.
That's great. Maybe you can share the recipe with me sometime.
Of course, I'd be happy to. Well, I need to get going now. I have an appointment.
All right. Have a good day.
You too, David. See you later.
Hi Lisa, how's your day going?
Hi Mark, it's going well. I've been busy with work. How about you?
I've had a productive day too. I finished a report I've been working on.
That's great. Anything interesting in the report?
Yes, it's about the latest trends in our industry. I'll share it with you once it's published.
I'd appreciate that. I'm always interested in learning more.
I know. That's one of the things I admire about you.
Thank you. I believe we should never stop learning.
I completely agree. Well, I need to head out for a meeting now.
All right. Have a successful meeting.
Thanks. Talk to you later.
Bye. Have a good day.
Hi Bob, it's been a while. How have you been?
Hey Alice. Yes, it's been ages. I've been good, thanks. How about you?
I've been well too. Just busy with work and life, you know.
I can totally relate. Work has been quite hectic for me too.
So, what's new with you? Any exciting updates?
Well, I've started learning to play the guitar. It's something I've always wanted to do.
That's awesome. How's it going so far?
It's challenging, but I'm enjoying it. I try to practice a little every day.
That's the spirit. I've always admired your dedication.
Thanks, Alice. What about you? Any new hobbies or interests?
Actually, yes. I've taken up gardening. It's quite therapeutic.
That sounds lovely. Do you have a favorite plant?
I do. It's the rose bush that my grandmother gave me. It's very special to me.
That's wonderful. It must be nice to see it bloom.
It truly is. Anyway, it was great catching up with you.
Likewise. Let's do this more often.